Given the situation right now, after the sudden tragic demise of our very own actor Sushant Singh Rajput, there are a few things I want to talk about. Depression is a real thing. It's not funny, it's not a joke, it's not excuses, it's not that सिर्फ कमज़ोर लोगों को डिप्रेशन होता है. It's not for that so-called attention seeking. In fact, a person who would be going through depression or this whole thing would never ever come to you, would never ever reach out to you, would never ever ask you for help, would never ever make you even realize that there is an issue with him, there is something wrong going in his or her mind. Never. Let's take an example of me. I have never personally gone through depression and all this thing, but I know for this fact that if there's something that is bothering me, I would never share it to anybody. I definitely don't. I tend to lock myself in my room. Basically, I don't step out unless it's extremely necessary, and I deal with my own thoughts. And if it's like necessary for me to go out that day, I go out and I do absolutely fine outside on my face. Nobody could figure out that there's something something bothering me, or there's something I'm struggling with. And unless and until I don't overcome it myself after a few days or so, I don't speak about it to anybody. Never. And okay, you might be a person who would definitely go and talk to your best friend or someone you are close to and talk about your problems immediately, talk about something that you are going through, something you're feeling about. You can talk about it to him or her. But the thing is, not everyone is same, and especially a person who is going through this all anxiety issues or depression wala thing, they will never reach out to you. They'll never ever let you realize the fact that there's something wrong with them. It's you who have to like look on those signs, those patterns, those signals. Little by little they give through their actions or what they speak. You figure it out, and then you try to see it like more closely कि अच्छा कुछ, it's like something wrong. It's कि तुम बस सिर्फ उदास हो, या it's something more than that. Taking the example of Deepika Padukone, she very strongly spoke about depression, her own struggle with that whole depression wala thing, how it felt and how she overcome it, and how depression is a real thing, and the whole stigma related to depression. She very strongly talked about it. But the thing is, she never spoke about it when she was actually going through it. No one could figure out that there was something wrong with her when she was doing absolutely fine with her career. She looked absolutely fine in all those public appearances or award shows or whatever you say, but the fact was for real that she was going through depression. So this is the point that I want to make here, that we easily tend to judge people कि तुम्हारे में कुछ गलती हो. In fact, there are a lot of things that I'm hearing since yesterday, that he was so weak, he should not have committed suicide, he should have talked to people, talked to someone. Like, he was a star, he was an inspiration, we all looked up to him, and he did something like this. Like, we looked at him as a role model, and like it was him, we talked to our parents and put him as a role model. If he can do this, we can also. And now everything is shattered, we cannot do something. Listening so many things like this. And in fact, for people from here, from Patna or Bihar, like, we are especially thrown aback by this tragedy, because we believe that he was someone among us. In fact, he was from the same school that I was. So it was like हमारे बीच से ही है, हमारे बीच से किसी ने इतना बड़ा किया, हमारे बीच से कोई. He went to TV and then to Bollywood. He made it so big there, and like, yes, it was a total inspiration. But the thing is, he was only a star when he was performing in movies. He was only a star when he went to award shows or made public appearances or went for an interview. But when he was confined to this four walls of his room with his own thoughts, he was just a human being. And this is what we need to understand. How can you easily say this, that he should not have done this, he should have, like, how can you like easily judge him? And how do you know how many times he would have felt to do this? Since how many months he would have been thinking would have been thinking of this suicidal thoughts. It's नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. It's not like कि अच्छा आज मन कर गया suicide करने का तो he committed it. No. How do you know how many times he would have looked up to that fan and thought of this whole scenario and thought that what would happen after that? You don't know. You definitely don't know. And like it's very easy to say कि easy option है suicide कर लेना. It's not easy to commit suicide. It's not at all easy. अगर आप जाओगे, अगर आप छत से कूदो या आप क्या कहते हैं फंदा लगाओ फांसी का, it's not at all easy to think of that, to actually do that. And yes, he would have, he pakka hai, he would have thought of everything. What if I do this, what happens then, what if I don't, what happens then, and like everything. And the thing is, when we, like, I'm not justifying, don't get me wrong, I'm not justifying that it's okay to commit suicide. I'm just saying that it's not okay to judge them. And it just promotes the people around you who must be going through the same. It's just promoting them to not speak to you at all, because it's showing your attitude that you are not understanding their perspective, what they are going through, what they are dealing with. They're not able to speak about what they are exactly feeling to anybody, because no one is there to understand. And in fact, he was aware of his whole situation. He was aware. He was taking medications. Most of us here would not even reach out to doctors if we find out that there's something wrong. So he must have found out himself. He must have found out himself that there's something wrong with him, and he should seek for medical help. He should reach out for help, and that is why he was taking medicines. He was like constantly in touch with doctors. Still, he was in such a bad situation that उसको करना पड़ा ये. And it's sad. It's so sad because this was not at all necessary. And this is why we are so much taken aback by this demise, because ये टल सकता था. And we together as a society have failed. And it took us an actual death of someone to talk about this, to be more like aware about all this. And he was a star, or like पूरा India उसको जानता था. But what about those people whom nobody knew, who did all this, who went through all this phase, who did commit suicide, but only his friends or family got to know about it? And depression is so common than we think. कि अच्छा बहुत कम लोगों को पता है. No, it's common. Anxiety issues are common. It's just that we should be more aware, more kind towards people. If you cannot make something better, let's not worse it. And we tend to judge everybody about whatever they do, what they wear, what they eat, what they speak, what they post on social media. We tend to judge everyone for everything. In fact, I was reading all the sports that people were like targeting MS Dhoni, why they didn't speak about this demise. Like, no one need to validate this fact on social media that they are sad and to declare it there. It's not necessary. It's a personal choice. And in fact, अगर आप मेरी personally बात करोगे, I would never ever post anything about something that is bothering me. So as a society, as collectively, as people, we need to be more kind. We need to be more aware of what we are speaking to something, because very naturally, very बहुत आराम से हम लोग कुछ भी बोल देते हैं किसी को भी, इनफैक्ट टू आवर फ्रेंड्स, चलो कुछ भी हो, एक छोटे से लाइन ही समथिंग वी टॉन्ट कर दिया या कुछ भी बोल दिए, एंड इट फील्स लाइक इट्स अ स्मॉल थिंग, एंड इनफैक्ट द पर्सन यू हैव टोल्ड दिस टू, we also think okay चलो कोई बात नहीं, छोटी सी बात है, let's shrug it off. But the thing is, when like you're actually taken aback of something, all these little things from here and there comes back to us at the same time, and it adds up to everything. And like this is something I've personally felt. I feel it every now and then, and that all these little things comes back. Let's not make it like this that it will take a death of an actual person to talk about this, to be more aware of all this, to actually do something about this. Let's take the situation in our hand when we could have controlled. I'm not able to speak, but yeah, let's take the situation in our hand where we can actually control all this thing, where we can actually prevent a person from committing suicide or something like this. Also, I would like to share this word with people who are already going through depression or something like this, or anxiety issues. Talk about it. If not to your friends or some of your close acquaintance, talk about it to your parents, and they will definitely understand you. It's just that we think that our parents don't care about, like, will not understand our perspective, and they'll scold us or they'll tell us something. It's the fact is, our parents scold us so that we don't get in trouble. Our parents stop us, or like constantly make this point that don't do this, don't do that, and something like this, because they don't want to end up being in trouble. But when you're actually into the trouble, we're actually in that place, they will not blame it on you anymore. They will try their best to take you out from that. And trust me, your parents, like, they can help you the best, more than anyone else, be it your close friend or somewhere. Like, your friends or your acquaintance may call you for a day or two, or maybe like a week or something like that, to check on you if you're doing fine or not. But your parents won't stop after that. They will make sure that you're surely out of all these things, and they'll constantly make an effort even after that to see if you're doing fine or not. So it's strange. It's strange to think that our parents don't understand. It's strange to imagine that our parents will understand. But this is the fact. This is the true fact, and this is how parents are. They will try to be the strict, or या scold, डांटने वाटे लगेंगे कि नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, because they don't want to feed all these things in your mind. But when you're actually there, they will definitely help you, and they are the only person who will help you अच्छे से. So this is the thing I want to share, and I hope we come up to this place where it doesn't require a person to go to an extent of thinking of suicide anymore to talk about this. I hope we get to this place.